So guys, I'm here behind the camera. My husband is now cleaning the terrace with the pressure washer. For the first time, I'm really glad. He's just retired and he's helping me out in the garden more often. So guys, I'm taking over. My husband had to leave and he did the pointer part, the harder stuff, and now I'm doing the finer brushing and then decorating the terrace. So we finished cleaning the terrace yesterday with the pressure washer, but the grout has to get renewed here. Most of them are now cracked, but we'll be doing that someday, maybe next year. But what I noticed most is that the kestrel made a mess here again last night. So we really have to do something to hinder the kestrel sitting up there in one of the beams. Actually, it's in two beams. It can't even make up its mind. Sometimes it make a mess here and sometimes the other side. So we really have to climb up there. At least somebody will. To put a wire or something to cover the beam. The hedge is trimmed. The floor, terrace floor, is cleaned. So I can set up the terrace. So I'll set the table and decorate a little. Put back the pots that I took off. So guys, I finally set up the terrace so we can start enjoying it. The plants in the pots are mostly about to bloom. There are some flowering buds already, but probably in 3 weeks' time. I sowed most of them from seeds. That's why it will take a while. That is a donkey. And that's my favorite, the llama. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.